Ever tried juggling flaming torches while riding a unicycle? Okay, maybe not. But have you ever tried navigating the world of business banking, especially as a new entrepreneur? It can feel just as precarious. You're trying to manage finances, track expenses, and keep everything organized, all while building your dream. And one of the first questions that pops up is, where do I even put my money? Can I open a business account with my current bank? Or do I need to find a specialized institution? Today, we're tackling a specific question that many Canadian entrepreneurs ask: can I open a business account with Tangerine? Now, Tangerine is known for its no-fee daily banking and its focus on online convenience. It's a popular choice for personal banking, but does that popularity translate to the business world? That's what we're going to break down. First, let's establish why a separate business account is so crucial. It's not just a nice-to-have, it's a must-have. Mixing personal and business finances is a recipe for disaster. It makes accounting a nightmare, complicates tax filing, and can even blur the lines legally, potentially putting your personal assets at risk. A dedicated business account provides clarity, professionalism, and a clear separation between your personal and business life. Now, back to Tangerine. Tangerine is a subsidiary of Scotiabank. However, it operates independently with a strong focus on digital banking. This means no physical branches, which can be a huge plus for some and a drawback for others. But the real question is, does Tangerine offer business accounts at all? The short answer is no. Tangerine does not currently offer dedicated business banking accounts. While they excel in personal banking with their checking accounts, savings accounts, and other personal finance products, they haven't ventured into the business banking space. So, if you're looking for a business account, Tangerine isn't an option. But don't worry, this doesn't mean you're out of luck. There are plenty of other options available to Canadian business owners. Let's explore some of them. Traditional banks like Scotiabank, RBC, TD, and BMO all offer comprehensive business banking packages. These usually include checking accounts, savings accounts, lines of credit, and merchant services. They often come with branch access, which can be beneficial for certain types of businesses that handle cash or require in-person support. However, they can also come with monthly fees, transaction limits, and other charges. Then there are credit unions. Credit unions are member-owned financial cooperatives that often offer competitive business banking solutions. They tend to have a more community-focused approach and may offer more personalized service. They also often have lower fees than traditional banks. Finally, we have online-only business banking platforms. These are similar to Tangerine in their digital-first approach. They often offer streamlined account opening processes, lower fees, and innovative features. Some popular options in Canada include providers like Wise, formerly TransferWise, and other fintech companies that are emerging in the business banking space. These platforms can be particularly attractive to small businesses and freelancers who value flexibility and affordability. Now, let's address a common misconception. Some people might think they can simply use their personal Tangerine account for business purposes. This is strongly discouraged. As we discussed earlier, mixing personal and business finances creates a tangled mess. It's crucial to keep these separate for accounting, tax, and legal reasons. Even if Tangerine allowed it, which they likely wouldn't encourage, it's a bad practice. So, what can you do if you're a Tangerine customer and you're starting a business? The best course of action is to open a separate business account with another financial institution. You can keep your personal banking with Tangerine if you're happy with their services, but you'll need a dedicated business account elsewhere. When choosing a business account, consider several factors. Fees: look at monthly fees, transaction fees, and other charges. Features: consider what features are important to your business, such as online banking, mobile banking, merchant services, and integration with accounting software. Access: do you need branch access, or are you comfortable with online-only banking? Customer support: how easy is it to get in touch with customer support if you have questions or issues? Scalability. Will the account meet your needs as your business grows? Don't just jump at the first offer you see. Do your research, compare different options, and choose the account that best fits your specific business needs. To summarize, can you open a business account with Tangerine? No. Tangerine does not offer business banking services. However, this shouldn't discourage you. There are numerous other options available, including traditional banks, credit unions, and online platforms. Remember to keep your personal and business finances separate and choose a business account that meets your specific requirements. Starting a business is a huge undertaking, and getting your finances in order is a crucial first step. By choosing the right business banking solution, you can set yourself up for success and avoid unnecessary headaches down the road. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.